Hi everyone, my name is Pratik. I am from GHS Nada. I am studying in 9th standard.
Hi friends, my name is Muhammad Nadeem. I am studying in 9th standard. I am from JHS Nada.
My name is Swastik. I am studying in 9th standard. I am from JHS Nada.
So today we can up with the project called Bluetooth controller product. In this project, we can able to control the LED by using Bluetooth communication.
Here we are using Arduino Uno HC05 Bluetooth model and LEDs for controlling. We are using Android app.
Applications it used in smart homes. It can be used as wireless smart switches. For future, we can use this for other projects. Thank you.